Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is build a calendar where I can kind of track the status of every position or employee throughout a particular month. And what I'm having a problem with is if I select the individual from the drop-down list on the left in the orange, and I have their status show up on the calendar as soon as I go to delete or insert a new drop-down, it deletes. So I'll show you here, and I'm sorry you can't see the actual drop-down list because of this Microsoft Record, but I'm just going to choose marketing. It's those bolded categories you see there: marketing, finance, human resources, and operations. So choose marketing. That's the data validation list. And then if I go to position, it'll only show me those positions through an indirect listing of the CMO, director, manager, analyst, consultant, coordinator, and specialist. So I'm going to do analyst, and then status doesn't really matter right now. I'll work on that later, but for right now I'm just going to select telework. So I've only created January, I'll do January. And then I'm saying that this particular analyst is going to be teleworking from the 4th of January through the 14th. So that gives me a series of, red X's and stuff, and that's just some conditional formatting and a little formula, an if and formula I put up top. So what I want to do is I want to basically lock that status in place for the analyst, for the marketing department. And once I clear out the results in the orange box, I want that to stay there. So as you can see, if I clear it out, it disappears. I could still insert a new status for anyone else. Say the human resources director is inbound January 3rd. So you can see the human resources director is inbound on January 3rd, or there's a status for him. If you can help out, basically I'm just trying to keep those series of red X's and that conditional formatting there frozen so that I can continue to update the entire calendar for each individual or each position. Thank you very much. Hope you can help.